Hello everyone, my name is Hussam Tariq. Today I'm going to present my student center for student X and student Y. My student X is a architecture student and student Y is a civil engineer student. So I'm going to introduce them first. So this is student X, student Y, their personal information, name, age, interests, semester and course. After the course information, like the duration, how long it is, classes location, subjects, then the daily routine, what they are doing per day, at the day, then the course timetable. So the vision for them or behind the student centers. The vision is to study the site that they're gonna work on to build the building, choose the type of foundation suitable for the site, calculate structures, calculations, studying the materials, choose the best material and test it. This is the design statement. The student center is a place for students from other majors so they can work together to achieve something. In my student center, between students and student Y, the architecture student and civil engineer students, they can work together maybe to build a building, so they need to study the site, study the site, as I said, study the soil, choose the best foundation for the site, for the building and the soil, calculate the structures, also choose the best material for the building and test it. This is some precedents to show the quality of my spaces. So first one is the discussion area, work office. Second one, the last thing is the drawing. This is the SOA, schedule of accommodation, showing the spaces, living spaces, bedroom, kitchen, land, personal toilets, number of users, percentage, size in meter, size in square meter, working spaces. What I added in the working spaces so they can work together, laboratory, lab for civil engineers, discussion area, work office, testing room so they can test the model, structure of the model, test the materials and everything. Drawing room for the architecture students. Then here we come to the services, equipment room, stationery, female toilet and male toilet. Oh, I missed it. Okay, no, anyway. And mini market. And the management office, cleaning room. These are the responsive model, 3 responsive models. Show the orientation and the sun bath, the wind, and the view. This is the side demarcation. So why we choose this basically shows the reasons behind choosing this point or this site at the university. So our site, my site, or our group site is here. So in terms of physical context, here circulation, program. So these are the reasons. So my part in the group work was the sensory context, the views, sound, and smell. So my reason for the sensory context is views from this point to between block C and block G is good view, and also at the parking area beside block G, the trees line. with the skyline. It's also good view. The sound at this point is not very noisy. We will not hear the cars sound and cars horn. 3, the smell at this point is not bad, so there is no smell here. And also from this point we can see the bus station of the university. So it's here. It's here, our site is here, the building is here. So it's easily to see the bus station. Here we come to the bubble diagram. For the ground floor, first floor plan, the red spaces are private, the yellow are semi-public, the green are public. This is the entrance, the main entrance. This is other entrance. This is the courtyard. So from the main entrance to the courtyard, so the management office, here is the mini market, stationery, equipment room, toilet female, male toilet, cleaning room museum. And at the first floor, we have the living and working space. So when we come from the staircase, small courtyard, discussion areas here. So, and here's the lawn. This is the living space and the working space. So it's basically separate. Long, kitchen plus dining, private office, bedrooms, toilets. Then here, this is the test room. Beside the laboratory, lab, drawing room, work office. This is the site plan. This is my building here, trees. The parking area is here. The big parking area is here. This is the north, like here, like this. So in terms to enter my building, so the entrance for the university from here, so it comes from here. This is the way to here, or maybe walking from block A. So there's a staircase here I made, so it's easy to enter the building. The staircase is gonna appear here more clearly at the ground floor plan. So this is the staircase, small staircase from block A. The highway is here, the carway is here. This is the management office. This is the mini market, stationery, equipment room, toilets, female, male, cleaning room. The equipment room, so any equipments for the site visit, for the site study, it's gonna be here. It's also the equipment room can be used for the mini market and stationery in terms of if they want to store something. Okay, so I did the equipment room down, not upstairs, so that it's easy for the students to get the equipments and go out, better than taking the equipments from the first floor, going downstairs to the first ground floor, then going outside. So it's easy for them to go from the first floor to ground floor without anything, then they take it from the ground floor and go outside to do the job. This is the first floor plan. This is the discussion areas here. This is the lounge and the kitchen, this dining, the middle. This is the kitchen, dining here, dining here, private office, bedrooms. This is the private toilets, test room, lab, drawing room, work office. This is the work plan. And these are the section cuts. So basically from the staircase here, looking at the left, and section A looking from the second entrance, women's room looking down. This is the front elevation. Back elevation. Right elevation. Lift elevation, section AA, section BB. These are the mock-up model for the student center. This was my first design. There was some mistakes and something wrong with the design, so I changed it. And this is the final model, the final design. So that's it from my presentation. That's it. This is my student center. Thank you.